Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akmal Syahmi bin Jafizin from Group Pelam, and today I will represent about our project for mechanic of machine conveyor system. Our group consists of 5 group members: Muhammad Hakim bin Muhammad Ramzan, Muhammad Faris Zakwan bin Zakaria, Muhammad Takif bin Ma'diyah, Muhammad Saifuddin Muhammad Taha, and that's me, Muhammad Akmal Syahmi bin Jafizin. For the sketch design, this is our final design for the conveyor system that has been approved by all of the group members during our meetings. The sketch design is created by using the real conveyor system as reference. The sketch design was designed so that it can move things from one point to other point in a certain time. We use the betting system in the design as our guide. For the 3D CAD design, this is our final product for our 3D CAD design. For the design, the built-in system was installed in the middle and was supported by a beam on both sides. The conveyor system is supported by the four pillar so that it can withstand the load. For the mechanism, first the motor on the conveyor belt turn the rotor that move the conveyor belt. Second, the turning motion of the rotor cause one side of the belt to move in one direction while the other sides move in the opposite direction. Third, the drive pulley drive the conveyor belt and has external bearings that are driven by a motor and reducer. The purpose of tail pulley is to provide tension in the conveyor belt. Uh, okay, for this is our example for available design in market. There are numerous conveyor belt machine design that are available on the market today. Model some of it we can see modular belt conveyor, flat conveyor belts, and roller belt conveyor. Few of example that we can see at the market today. First, we can see one example is flat belt. We use this as our model for our sketch because of the simplicity of the design. One of this flatbed conveyor is one of the most common conveyor used in our industries. It can transport items within a facility, and the conveyor was chosen for this study because it has desired characteristics such as ability to lift heavy goods, transport goods safely without causing damage, and low maintenance quality. For the analytical analysis and calculation, we can divide it into 3 objectives and conclusion. For the first objective, it to determine the gripper force that will make the fertilizer bag so the bag does not rolling or slip. The conclusion that we get from the calculation, the gripper force of the bag and fertilizer bag is 6 to 5 hours time. For second objective, to determine the distance between two fertilizer bag to make sure the machine work properly. For the conclusion that we get from the calculation, the distance between two fertilizer bag to make sure the machine work properly is 0.2 meter. For the third objective, to determine the power transmission to the fertilizer bag to make the machine work properly. The conclusion that we get from the calculation is the power transmission uh, to the fertilizer bag to make the machine work properly is 7.8225 watts. And for the conclusion, the conveyor machine was selected as the mechanism to be improved and renewed in these studies. This machine can also reduce the use of labor, thereby reducing the risk of safety problem for the company caused by workers being injured while lifting heavy goods. There are several conveyors that are given as example, but this study selected flatbed conveyor as the basic type of conveyors. One of the reasons we choose conveyors is their ability to lift heavy items without damaging them. In addition, this conveyor has a simple mechanism and the raw materials used for its production are inexpensive. Several calculations has been made to ensure that this conveyor belt can perform its function. The speed of the speed of the object to move the power transmission, the resulting friction force, and the size of the conveyor were calculated. So the study concluded that this machine with good technology can help the industry to develop a better direction. This mechanism is not only applicable to conveyors but also the other machine. This can also lead to technological advancement in Malaysia. That's all from me. Thank you.